Forecast for the waters from Cape Shillawater, Washington to Florence, Oregon, now 10 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 9:24 a.m. Wednesday. Small craft advisory for winds in effect.
The National Weather Service office in Portland, Oregon. The proceeding was a test of no weather radio's warning alarm. Tests of the receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test. We now return to our regular programming.